That's a doorbell?
Another pocket watch. That's from a convention. This is Master Gracie.
Yeah, that's really cool. Did you guys discuss on what you guys wanted for it all?
Come on in.
Good sir, how are you?
Good.
How are you, man?
Not too bad.
All right.
Survived the hurricane.
I looked at your, it's weird when I come in your neighborhood, some of the houses are like really bad and then other ones are like not even touched.
Yeah, well, $9,000 I need a new roof.
Sorry to hear that.
Sections for you, so you can take a look.
Okay.
I had it in there, but it's too damn dark.
Yeah, I know. Last time we came, it was dark and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's over 25 years old.
Okay.
Complete set. All the never took them out. See, all the certificates are still in there.
Okay.
I never took them out.
That's interesting. These are all the watches.
Yeah, that's a
That's
watch.
This is all. Does it come off? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, the pocket. I think you showed me the pocket watch last time I was here. That was on top of the entertainment. Yeah. Okay. You did show me just the pocket watch. Interesting thing. You know what I mean? Like it's like a little mini wooden train with the pocket with the watches inside of it. Did it? How was this sold? Was it sold? You had to like get it every month or every couple months, or was it sold?
My wife bought it because the last piece was the engine.
Now, what do we have here in this table here?
Okay, Haunted Mansion, Pirates, Walt and Mickey.
Walt and Mickey. Okay.
A lot of them I got from my friend in California. They were cast members.
Yeah.
And some were from events.
Okay. A lot of cool little pieces in here. Little Walt and Mickey.
That's a service pin from California.
The Pirates. I figured you guys were gonna have some really cool pirates and really cool, since that's what you guys were collecting was a Haunted Mansion.
Yeah, this is an actual doorbell. You could put it on your house.
That's a doorbell?
Yeah. Hook that up to your house.
Yeah, that's interesting.
A lot of them were from events.
Yeah, yeah. 99 haunts and.
Okay, that's that.
Okay.
It's number 15.
Yeah. That's
all the original stuff. I got the box here,
yeah.
All the paperwork and stuff that's in there.
Okay. Lonesome Ghost. Yeah, that's I seen you have the movie. Yeah, I saw it last.
It's from a convention.
Yeah, yeah. I remember you showing me those. It's just so big. Like I don't understand why they wanted to make like.
Well, I got the Haunted Mansion.
Yeah, the Haunted Mansion one's cool. I remember you showed me that one last time.
I took a lot out of her cases that she was saving. Another pocket watch.
Okay.
Never been displayed.
Gotcha.
This is brand new. Never been
displayed.
Never been displayed.
It's when you get down that Disney rabbit hole. It's because they produce so much stuff, and I know collectors you just go overboard, and before you know it, it's overwhelming.
Most of them were conventions, and they're all. They got all the original boxes.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. You got all the boxes.
She's got them all labeled.
Okay.
She'll be home in a little while.
Yeah, that's fine.
She's got to approve all this.
Okay.
That's from a convention.
Gotcha.
This is Master Gracie.
Yeah, that's really cool. Master Gracie. Okay.
This is from the convention. I put a battery in there so you can see.
Oh, nice. Okay.
This is etched glass, Haunted Mansion.
Okay.
And they're all, you can pick them up, do whatever you want.
This is the Jim Shore, is this the showcase? No, it's a showcase. Jim Shore design.
Yeah. All the rest of these are classics.
Oh, art classics, okay.
All the pirates.
All the pirates? Oh, wow.
There's another pocket watch in there. Never.
Oh, yeah. That's interesting. Okay.
This is a set. That's a separate piece.
Yeah.
This is Fantasia.
Haunted Mansion.
This is from Mark Davis. I couldn't get $9.99, so I got. They're all labeled $8.99.
$8.99. Okay.
Mark Davis took $9.99. That designer.
Okay.
Tic Tac, Skull.
Is that a tea set?
That's a tea set.
Okay.
That. Never been opened.
What is that? It's Haunted Mansion?
Haunted Mansion.
That's neat.
This is a two-piece here.
Okay.
And that's a one piece.
That's a big piece.
Yeah.
All
That's
right.
an expensive piece.
Yeah, no, I bet. Okay.
So you look around, pick up whatever you want.
Okay.
Like I said, she'll be coming home in a little while.
Okay. And then that was the only pins up front there then, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you guys discuss on what you guys wanted for it all? At all?
I had an idea somewhere. You tell me if I'm wrong or right, somewhere between 3 and 4.
3 and 4. Okay.
I know the pieces were.
Yeah, there are some expensive pieces in these. Which one do you have the most value on? Is it the charter piece up front?
The most expensive piece
The,
was. I looked up original prices, but
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know I can't get that.
Yeah,
this
yeah.
was like 700.
okay.
This was 600. The
Gotcha.
Ghosts were 495. The Charger was 700.
Yeah, I know the charger was expensive. That for a piece like that.
I don't expect to get any original price.
Yeah. I know. Just from last time I was speaking and stuff like that. So, all right. Let me. How? Yeah. How soon is she gonna be back?
In about 10.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah, I want to go through some of the figurines if you don't mind over here.
Go right ahead. Move on.
Kind of just got to do a little.
Adding up.
Yeah. And these all have original boxes.
Yes, they're all.
This is cool. Cool little piece. What is that? How's that? Does that move?
It's lenticular.
Oh, okay. I got you. Okay.
Now he's a ghost.
Yeah.
Just check that
Oh,
out.
that's kind of cool. My only concern with some of the stuff is everything has its original box.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a big selling point for me.
Except one piece,
Okay.
because when it was shipped to us, it broke. I got the original styrofoam, but this is for Steamboat Willie with the clock.
Clock. That was broken, you said?
The original boxes, but it's
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I just know with certain things like for example, like when you have swords like this so thin and stuff, I get it's concerning sometimes when I have to sell and ship that stuff, because just even though it has the original box, that stuff is very fragile sometimes. So what is this one? The Adventure of Ichabod and Mr. Toad. If I pick this up, no piece are going to fall off. Like these aren't loose.
No.
Oh no! Did you guys break the hand broke? You guys re-glued it. Looks like. See that? It's all the way around. Looks like it was broken off and glued. That's a shame, man. That's a cool piece. Yeah, see it?
Yeah.
It's getting warm.
How are you doing today?
Oh, hi.
Did you know this was broken?
No.
Yeah, the hand it's busted off there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
No, it's been up in the cupboard.
I know. We were just talking about. You said that maybe it came like that. You guys glued it and just forgot about it over the years.
Could be. I really don't know. Wow. Does this come off? No, it doesn't.
But unfortunately, the hand was broken. It happens with the figurines. It's unfortunately. So, what made you finally decide to get rid of some of the Haunted Mansion stuff? It's just time.
It's time.
Okay.
Our kids don't want it.
Yeah, I understand.
We've been asking them, and
what was this one called? Do you guys remember the name of it? I don't want to pull it back.
no, it's on the.
I know. I just didn't want to move it.
Oh no, it's on the box. I think.
Oh, in the box. Okay.
Mr. Lonesome Ghost.
The problem is there's only 25 of those made.
Yeah.
And it's from 2002. So like the hardcore collectors probably still have those in their collection.
Is that what they
I found it. I found one that sold.
Yeah.
The last one that sold was in 2012.
Wow.
You're not gonna like what it would have sold for.
Oh well.
But sold for $128. There are some other charger plates out there that I sold for like $2,000, and then there's a lot of them that are selling for like between $200, $300, $400 in that ballpark.
Yeah.
The problem with this, and I think it's just big.
Right.
I think other than that one, like you guys have one of them. You guys couldn't put another big charger plate. It would take up half your wall.
Right.
You know.
Right.
So
Yeah.
that's the only bad thing with the charger plates.
Well, hey, we can keep it.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah. I
You
may
don't want
have a kind of a ballpark idea kind of here. So where were you guys kind of at with everything? So that includes like everything you had on the table, the stuff outside, yeah, with the charger plate and stuff like that, and then we'll kind of go from there. Where were you guys for everything that you had here today?
Well, he was just adding up totals and then
Yeah.
I
what'd you come
can't
up
do
with?
that. What did you come up with? Just tell me.
So I think potential resale value is probably around the 3,500, somewhere in the ballpark. That's what I was thinking, the resale value. Some of the stuff, like some of the pieces are going for like 30, 40 bucks, and then some other ones are going for 100, 200 pieces. That was kind of my factor in. That's not with, I didn't factor in that piece yet.
Right.
The charger plate, I know you have a lot of money into that. You know what I mean? So like that would be something that we can take out of the equation today.
Yeah.
Just the fact that I'm assuming it was an $800 piece, and I wouldn't be able to even give anywhere a fraction of that just based off,
I don't care.
Yeah, okay. I didn't even look at these. I totally forgot about these. Looking. All right, I think we'll try to figure this out now. So I'd probably want to be somewhere around like the 18 to 2,000 for everything. So in that ballpark. Try to be as fair with you guys as I can, with stuff.
About 2,000, it's yours.
2,000. I think I feel comfortable with that. All right, sounds like a plan.
A few weeks ago, it's like, okay, let's get stuff together and sell. He would take everything all at once and
Yeah.
sell it all. And I'm like, let me think about it.
Yeah,
And so,
yeah.
I need to.
Yeah, you
slowly-
need to process it. So
That's right. Yeah, I can't just.
Give her the-
give her the money. You're the boss lady. So 4, 5, $2,000. That's actually. So, I don't know why I just gave you the stack. That's why I took out the ATM.
I was just going to say, you
I
went on the ATM.
I went to the ATM, right? But yeah, no, I would never bring that stuff around to a regular pick.
We'll box everything up. for
Yeah,
you
yeah,
if you
this,
want.
yeah. We'll get. I'll start helping.
You know what you can? I've made bags.
Oh, you
for
made bags. Awesome. Yeah, you did it last time too. That was really, that actually helped out tremendously, to be honest with you. Man, what an awesome collection that was. Let me tell you, every time I get called from one of these picks, I have no idea what I'm walking into, and it just ceases to amaze me every single time. These figurines, these statues are absolutely amazing. I was really hesitant about spending $2,000 on this collection. Now, I think this collection is worth roughly around $4,000 or so. I'm going to list everything. Everything I listed probably could come out to around $5,000. The reason I say that, though, is I'm going to be taking offers and all this stuff, and I'll probably end up taking them like 20% off. So I'll probably end up getting around maybe $4,000 for everything. The only bad thing, though, one of the things you got to be very cautious with, and I want to tell you guys, be very, very careful if you buy Disney statues and figurines like this. They have a tendency, they're put in styrofoam inside those. They're made to custom fit them, but they do move around the boxes a lot of times. You have to put extra like bubble wrap and other things in there to protect them. And no matter how well I package these up, I can bubble wrap 2, 3, 4 inches around the outside of them. For some odd reason, they just get damaged in shipping. Like the people I bought this stuff from, they had being shipped directly from Disney. Sometimes they receive items that are damaged as well. So be very careful paying up for these because you guys do have to ship them. If you guys watch any of my flipping and punching videos that I've done in the past, I've had issues with some of these breaking in mail. So unfortunately, it's a risk you have to take. Make sure you insure them, but absolute awesome collection. Stuff I've never seen before. I love the Disney train set that had the washers already in it. That's one of the big advantages I have living in Florida. I'm about an hour outside of Disney, so I am able to get these big collections, especially from former cast members, people that used to work at Disney. The wife ended up working at Disney many, many years ago, and I had gotten some really cool stuff in the past. Like she was there when Animal Kingdom did the opening day, and she had the opening day jean jacket I got and some other really cool things. So if you guys like this video, go back. I have about 3 or 4 other Disney videos where I do big pickups like this. I want to let you guys know that I did start a sports card podcast. If you guys want to learn about sports cards with Carrie from American Arbitrage Cards and also Tim over the years. It's called the No Bangers Sports Card Podcast. Go check it out. Give us a like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs in that channel as soon as possible. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.